If you were born between July 23rd and August 22nd, you're considered a Leo. So what are Leo's sexual desires? You click this video to find out, and that's coming right up. What's up guys, if you haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful product reviews to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell real quick for your boy. For your boy, 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 for your boy. So Leos are the type of people that would like watch themselves having sex and just completely get turned on. Like they just love the human body. They can be very passionate and very generous in the bedroom. So we all know like the illustration of a Leo is a tiger. So they have like this hunter identity within them that just makes them want to like own their prey. Like just, come on, bitch. Maybe not like that, but I'm over exaggerating. They love taking care of themselves. Like their appearance gotta be on point. So you ever heard the phrase, the life of the party? When it comes to Leos, that's exactly them in the bedroom. Like they the life of the party. They don't make sure that, you know, they're the stars. When it comes to making love, it's like a movie to them. As I said before, they're the stars. Like they want you to know that. Once they have a hold of you, that's it, you're theirs. So Leos want to be appreciated. So saying things like, "Ooh, damn, that was probably like one of the best I ever had in my life. Damn, babe, I love the way how you put that down." They would get high off of that shit. Interestingly though, they're not always ready for sex. Sometimes they can be busy doing other things. However, with that being said, if it's not like interrupting their own goals and their own like missions, they're ready to be like, you know, freaky deaky like weekly if needed. But make sure like it doesn't really counteract to whatever it is that they want to get done first prior. Leos love foreplay. Like if you don't do it, it's a crime and they're about to arrest your ass for breaking the law. They don't want to rush into things, but they want to make sure that the process is there and like enjoyable. So that foreplay is a must. In the end, they just want to be loved, needed, and appreciated. I mean, who could blame them? So when it comes to the best sex with Leos, we're talking with Aries and Scorpios. Mouth is dry. If you were born between June, if you like this video and you want to find out more information about other horoscope desires, I made a playlist to illustrate all the other horoscopes, and right now I'm choking on this popcorn, so check it out before I freaking pass out.